Hi everyone, I am just doing a quick little week 25 of Roxy's weekly challenge, and I'm using Tina from junkjournalideas B printable, which I'll link below. So we're just making clusters this week, and I've torn a bit of old book and making the backing pages. So we're all supporting Tina, who's going through a little bit of a hard time. And I have no problem supporting Tina because I've been through exactly the same thing, and for me it took 5 years to actually get the settlement sorted out and to feel like I had some control over my money flows. So big love, Tina, and here you go. We're all supporting you and all giving what we can financially. So I'm just making these clusters, and the clusters are very much a Tina thing. I think I should have probably had some pink bows and a bit of bling, but no, that's not me, so I didn't. But I absolutely love bee kits and bees and doing little clusters and pages from the bees. So I'm just adding a bit of the type and text from the printables, and on top of that, one of the bee images. I sped it up so I can just not waffle on too much. So I'm really enjoying this kit, and you know, this is probably one of the most simple things in junk journal land, to make some clusters that are just ready to be stuck on something and made into just embellishments for your junk journals. So I'm putting a little bit of paper behind just to thicken up the tags. So in this printable kit, Tina has some tags that you can cut out, and adding the paper on the back is just adding a bit of strength so that they're a bit thicker. It's always nice when there's a kit with ready to go tags. So the paper was just a little bit short, so I've trimmed the tags so they're a bit shorter than from the kit. Just cutting the tops to, you know, just add that little tag look. And even though I thought I had deleted that bit of footage, I tried my crocodile on the large size and it was too small, I thought, for the holes. So I've got a different punch that's quite a large hole, and so I've punched them ready to go for some ribbon or tape or something, or string. Now I just thought, like Rachel did, I'm going to put the snippets or the clusters onto some backing. So I've just made them up like that with a bit of the paper outside, and then they're ready to go. So that's my lot, and thank you for watching. Bye.